Hello everyone, I'm Swati Jain and I welcome you all to the Motivational Beat. Every day our mind has been bombarded with ideas. हर दिन हमारे मन में, हमारे माइंड में, हमारे ब्रेन में कुछ नए आइडियाज उत्पन्न होते हैं. कुछ आइडियाज ऐसे होते हैं जिनको हम अपनी लाइफ में थोड़ा आगे लेकर जाते हैं, उनके बारे में सोचते हैं, चिंतन करते हैं और उनको एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं अपनी लाइफ में. कुछ आइडियाज ऐसे होते हैं जो अगर हमारे दिमाग में आ जाते हैं तो हम उनके बारे में बिना सोचे समझे उनको एक कोने में बंद कर कर रख देते हैं, ये सोचकर कि शायद ये आइडिया हम एग्जीक्यूट नहीं कर पाएंगे, शायद इस आइडिया पे हम काम नहीं कर पाएंगे, मे बी दिस इज टू मच फॉर अस. नाउ व्हाट शुड वी डू अबाउट दीज आइडियाज? बिकॉज दीज आइडियाज आर नॉट ओनली एनेबलिंग अस टू थिंक a step further, but also enhancing our creativity. These ideas are giving us a platform to think much more than we should. For example, I never thought that I would be creating YouTube videos, motivational videos that may influence lives of others. But I always had this idea in mind. So one fine day, I put that idea into practice. No matter what kind of response I would be getting, no matter how people would be reacting to these videos, whether I would be getting subscribers or not, I still did it because I thought even if I can change the life of one person, that would be my job for the day. And that's how I started creating videos. So we all have ample number of ideas, but there is a fear inside that stops us from executing those ideas. So now is the time to put your fears aside and start implementing those ideas into practice. डर, fear, क्या हम कर पाएंगे या नहीं कर पाएंगे, इस तरह की फीलिंग्स हमारे दिमाग में, हमारे मन में हमेशा चलती रहेंगी. But we just need to push ourselves a little more. Come out of our comfort zone and see the world outside, because there are ample possibilities for young and fresh ideas outside. You just need to put a little more effort and some more determination to get accomplishments in your life. With this thought, I will take your leave and I'll be back very soon with a very fresh thought and a new topic. Till then, keep inspiring people around you and keep radiating new and innovative ideas within yourself. I'll see you all very soon. Bye-bye.